And we can...
Okay, here, this one goes to Grammy. Okay.
Okay, there's another one.
Well, you'll be able to once we hand them all out, okay? You're doing a good job.
Thank you!
This one goes to Aunt Emmy. This one goes to Grammy.
Grammy, again?
Open it.
I will, but after we get them all passed out, I'll open.
This one goes to Grammy and Poppy, so you choose who to give it to, one or the other.
Thank you!
This one, let's see, this one goes to your daddy.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Margot.
This one goes to Grammy.
There's only so much memory, so... Thank you!
This one goes to your
You want to
daddy.
do that forever.
Oh, thank you.
This one goes to your Uncle Adam.
Thank you.
And this one goes to
Oh,
Adam.
yeah,
One
apparently I
nice
didn't
thing
read
about
it.
it.
Thank you.
This one goes to your daddy.
Oh, boy.
I want to get the sticker off.